A very good evening, everyone. How are you all? A very good evening to all of you. Yes, and now I have received messages. Now messages are started. Yes, very good evening to all of you. Good evening, Divya, Komal. Better rest of all students, please show your presence fast, everyone. Good evening, Divya, Komal, Venkataraman, Shankaran, Madhav, Shreya, Neha, Ajay, Namita, Hardik, शंकरन, मोहम्मद सैफ, मोहम्मद आकिफ, कदमरी भट्ट, विशाल पांडे, सुरेंद्र, रामदेवी, मोहम्मद सुहेल, शगुफ्ता, शांतिज्ञ, स्वाति, योगिनी, वदलामिनी, अनमोल, मोहम्मद, दिव्या कुमारी, एकता मिश्रा, साक्षी जाधव, अंकुर पटेल, ममता यादव, केशव चौधरी, तुषार रॉय, रामनिवास, ब्यूला, विद्या, मुक्तेश्वरी, पूजा, कदम्बरी, भाविका, शिवम, यश, बसवराजू, अनुषा, ऐश्वर्या, ज्योति, तनु, तनुषिका, रितेश, सुवेंद्र, दीपश्राय, मोनिका, प्रियंका, विशाल, प्रशांत, Rahul, and all rest of the students. Anyways, a very warm welcome to your this evening, and we are here again. And today is also one of the most important session, as already we have very short lecture. I have informed to ICAI that if possible, then kindly I have requested please increase at least one lecture, because the topic is really very important and need more practice. How are we becoming best version of ourselves? Yes, beta. Good evening, everyone. I am fine. So one doubt is there. Good evening, sir. Please clarify the change from the cost model to revaluation model, carrying amount of PP and capitalization of working capital, interest. Is change in accounting policy or not? Beta, I am totally agree with you. But earlier in the last class, I have seen a question of study material in which there were change of method from WDV to SLM, and institute treated that as policy. Instead of policy change, institute treated that as estimate change of estimate. Hence, I am also here to teach that thing which will be treated, which should be teach to you as per ICAI study material. So I would like to say, based on the same example, that this should be treated as change of estimate, because if depreciation method is being changed, still that is being called estimate change. Then this should also be treated based on that estimate change. Beta, although from the bottom of my heart, I am not agree with this, because earlier in the examination, right from the beginning, the method change were treated as otherwise. I am not taking the name, so that you may not get confused. You may be having only one answer in your mind, that is the change of estimates. Okay, how to present the answer regarding the AS, sir? I am teaching you with the presentation or the solution. So beta, please see those, and today also I will teach. Okay beta. सर अभी तक आपने AS 4, 5 और 11 कंप्लीट करवाया है ना? दीप शेयर बेटा, अभी मैंने AS 11 नहीं कंप्लीट कराया है, क्योंकि आपने हिंदी में पूछा, इसलिए मैं आपको हिंदी में आंसर दे रहा हूँ. इसलिए जो बच्चे हिंदी में वो बिंदास पूछे हिंदी में. बेटा, अभी AS 11 के लिए मैंने रिक्वेस्ट की इंस्टीट्यूट में कि एक लेक्चर और हमें मिल जाए, क्योंकि AS 11 अपने आप में काफी वाइड AS होता है, और उसमें क्वेश्चंस की प्रैक्टिस बहुत जरूरी होती है, और बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट AS है. ठीक है, तो अभी हमने सिर्फ AS जो 11 है ना, वो स्टार्ट ही किया था एक तरह से, क्योंकि AS 5 में भी प्रैक्टिस चाहिए थी. ठीक है, ओके. I am fine beta. Riya, change in provision for bad debts will be treated as change in estimate. Yes beta, yes beta, only change in estimate. Hi sir, I am working as an accountant. I missed out previous year expenses. Can I record that expenses this year and payment also done in the last year? Oh, Soumya, you are practicing you are an accountant in any organization and you are discussing here the doubt in the for the practical environment, don't worry, I will not charge fees for that. Okay, beta, I am also practicing chartered accountant. I usually charge fees for that. Anyways, since it's the platform, it's the good platform to discuss all the practical doubt also. Beta, now I am repeating your doubt and your doubt will be solved immediately by other student also. Everyone, try to answer this. Since is there any problem? Everything is okay? Yes. Just a minute. Hello, check. Yes, everything is okay. So, beta, one of the student was asking that, sir, please tell me, I missed out previous year expense. Can I record that expense in this year? And payments also done in the last year. Beta, same type of question was in exam and which have been discussed by us in the class. You missed that. See, beta, Soumya, that is the error or omission or no? Answer is yes. Answer is yes. Okay, even though you have paid, still you have missed to record that. In the current year, if you are still before the approval date, management approval date, then you can adjust the earlier year account as per AS4. If you miss that date, then you have to show in the current year as a prior period item, because this is due to error or omission. Now, sir, only 5 months are left to exam. Sir, please tell how to attend the exam. Beta, this is not the platform where I can tell you in detail these things, because I have very limited time to discuss. So I want to discuss regarding the topic only. If institute will allow and give me extra time, then definitely I will discuss that. Anyways, Mamta, because there is a strategy mind is totally different and teaching mind is different. At this time, I am presently handling the syllabus. Anyways, sir, thanks for clarifying regarding the change in depreciation method. That it is accounting estimate for exam perspective. Yes, Suman. But from the bottom of heart, I have, Suman, another answer. Anyways, last session missed. Okay, Tushar, please read that. And don't worry, who missed the last session, please don't try to revise for 11 AS11 last session. I'm discussing all the things right now. Okay. Sir, prior period item as due to error or omission, beta. Yes. Prior period item. Hi here. Chalo ji, आगे बढ़ते हैं. Very good. All the students has answered and perfectly answered. Okay. Now it's the time to disco. No, disco nahi. It's the time to discuss the AS11. Start today's session. See what we have did up to the last class. Beta, I told you in the AS11 you are having these this index, by following which you will be having the control in this chapter, because there are different topics. Beta, you have to learn these things. I hope today you will be liking the screen. Today I am taking the class from my home studio at my home. See, there are four topics in this chapter, in this AS11. One of them was foreign currency transaction, which we have already discussed. Foreign currency transactions, in which we discussed initial recognition and subsequent recognition. Yes, beta Tanishka, as per that example, I am saying same, but no disco, beta Divya, no disco. Only this is the time to disco. Anyways, let's start. Example. What was the example number of the earlier class which we have discussed? We have discussed. Yes, this is what example number 1. Beta, I was discussing with you on first topic, that was foreign currency transaction, in which I took example number 1. What I solved with you all, example number 1, and after that we practiced with illustration number. What was the illustration number which we have practiced? Illustration number 2 we practiced with you all, and illustration number 3 also we practiced with you all. Okay, illustration number 1 is to be discussed with foreign currency operation. Please remove this illustration number 1 from this series and put this illustration number 1 in third series, that is foreign currency operation. Illustration number 1. Please put that illustration number 1 in this. Okay. Yes, beta. So now we are now again on the same page. Let's start the revision with an example. Please now start with example number 2. So I am writing here now example number 2. Please write here example number 2. I hope you have received the PDF of class notes up to the last session. Example number 2. Please write down here A Limited. Please write down the example. And you don't worry, you will enjoy all these things. सर फॉरेन ट्रांजैक्शन के क्वेश्चन में जनरल एंट्रीज लिख सकते हैं या थ्योरी ही लिखना होगा बेटे, क्वेश्चन जो मांगे. ओके बेटा राम. A Limited sold goods. I have some questions which is collection for you. Beta, please solve these questions with me in the class. A Limited sold goods. Please note it down and please let me know the screen clarity and audio video clarity. A Limited sold goods to B Limited in USA, that is the party which is situated in USA, for $11,000. How much dollars are there? $11,000. Remember beta, remember I will solve examination question also in the form of example with you all. Okay beta, total 11,000 goods are there. $11,000 goods are there on 15th of May 2019. On that date, we shall revise last class also with this example. On that date, exchange rate is equal to how much? 45 rupees per dollar. 45 rupees per dollar. Next one. Such payment was received. Such payment was received on 31st December 2019. Find out the difference and do and suggest accounting treatment. If exchange rate on 31st December 2019 is equal to 47 rupees per dollar. Good evening beta. Shagufta, I have taken nahi Shatrughan. Okay beta. Okay, it's time to understand the concept which you taught, sir. Okay beta, yes, very good. So we have to discuss these things. Okay beta, see, can you please solve? Yes sir, but I want to show you that beta, always prepare a timeline. Always prepare a timeline. It's the timeline. Since question is not given us the year, always pre-assume the financial year is the year. 1/4/2019, 31st March 2020. Beta, at this date, this is what? 15th of May. And at this date, that is what? 31st December. See, 15th of May sold goods and 31st December received payment. Now see, at this rate, what is the rate? Beta, at this, okay, first write down here the dollar. $11,000 are there for which goods were sold. And the rate was, what was the rate, everyone? 45 rupees per dollar. Oh. And at this date, 47 rupees per dollar. So beta, this is your question. How will you solve the question? Come on, everyone. Fastest mode. Please solve the question. On 15th of May, 2019, how will you record? That is called initial recognition. Initial means first time when in the books any transaction is being recorded. Okay, beta. So what will you do? B limited, that is debtor account debit to sales. And what is that? Sir, of course, $11,000 multiplied by 45 rupees per dollar. That is what rate? So $11,000 multiplied by 45. Oh, I forgot calculator. Oh my God. Oh. आज तो मैं स्टूडियो में भी नहीं हूँ कि मैं अजीत जी को बोल दूं. ओके, कोई बात नहीं. चलो जी, कैलकुलेटर इस पे कर लेता हूँ. यस बेटा, यू कैन ड्रॉ इन एग्जाम दिस टाइमलाइन. डोंट वरी, बिंदास ड्रॉ कीजिएगा. सो व्हाट इज द टोटल अमाउंट? हु विल टेल मी, एवरीवन? This multiplied by this 4,95,000. 4,95,000. Next, on which date next? On 31st December 2019, such dollar rate has been changed. Now dollar rate has been changed. It means we shall be receiving the payment in dollar, which was dollar of 45 rupees. Okay, thanks for the answer, everyone. Madhav, Tehseen, Ramdev, Jai Baba Ramdev, Ramdevi. Okay, Santigya, Matiha, Yogini, Shagufta, Priyanka, Tehseen. Thank you very much, beta. So, beta, now rate has increased. Oh my God, it means I have to revise my debtor. Mr. Debtor. Now, our rate has increased. Mr. Debtor, first I am revaluing you, reinstating you by the increase in rate. Mr. Debtor, now it's the time to revise. No disco. So 2 rupees has been increased. It means first I will update my data. That is 2 multiplied by 11,000. That is 22,000. And then corresponding, that will be transferred to difference in exchange rates. Sir, why you are not writing here P&L? Beta, it was earlier class when I did a shortcut to keep in your mind that will be transferred to P&L. Of course. Now, what we do? First, this profit must be realized. Only then we shall be transferred to that and that. Okay, let's receive the amount. Bank account debit. $11,000 multiplied by how much? That is 47. To B limited, our B limited debtors have been updated up to 47. Okay, and what will be the amount in this case? 5,17,000. 5,17,000. Oh, so easy it is. Now we shall transfer this difference in exchange rates to P&L. Since it's our income, difference in exchange rates account debit to P&L. Sir, can we do P&L in the second entry above? Yes. Sorry, first entry above. Yes, you can directly. But please understand, first I want to tell you that difference due to exchange rate is collected together of many entries for many transactions, and then at year end, as like any other nominal balance, must be transferred to P&L. Yes, beta. The same question was being asked by other students also. Yes. Third entry repeat. Tushar beta. Third entry is to transfer such difference in exchange rate to PNL. Okay, beta. This account is being closed by transferring to PNL. I hope everyone is fine up to this. Everyone, let me know. Everything is okay up to this or not? I am waiting for an answer. Come on. Yes, beta Suman, we can do that. Those which are watching at YouTube, it really hurts. You are 130, more than 139, and still I could get only 20 likes. It really hurts. Kindly share, likes, and etc. etc. Okay, let's start with another example. It's example number 3. Come on, everyone. Example number 3. Yes, let me know. Please message up to example number 2. Everything is okay. See, A Limited sold goods to B Limited. That is what? USA. Yes, sir. Okay. Clear up to this. Done, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, G, my class is not running due to net problem. Oh my God. What can I do, Devraj? If your class is not being run because of network issue, okay, okay. I am doing something. Now networks are being transferred, and don't worry, Jadu has come and your class will start. Okay, your doubt has been solved. So, beta, this is what USA data, and we have sold goods to be limited for $15,000. Come on, everyone. On which date? On 15th May. Wait a minute. It was the exam question. I am giving you same thing. 15th May. Same date I am giving here. Don't worry. 15th of May 2019. Exchange rate of same date is equal to how much? 48 rupees per dollar. Who was asking? Devraj, beta, your class was not running because of network. Kindly let me know your doubt has been solved or not. Yes, yes. Okay. So next one. However, amount received, amount from B Limited received on 25th April 2020. Exchange rate on 31st March 2020 and on 25th April 2020. What was the exchange rate? That is 52 rupees per dollar. Oh, 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 oh. 51 rupees per dollar. Oh, 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 oh. Sir, we have to pass an entry in exam. Beta, yes, as per the requirement of the question, we need sometimes. Okay, beta, more than 160 are on YouTube, but still I could get only 38 likes. It really hurts. Anyways, now we are back to class. Now please see. Beta, whenever foreign currency transaction question comes in exam, Tanisha, uh, at that time, beta, we have to write the generative. But while question comes in exam for foreign operation, then topic is different. And in that case, type of questions are being asked at different level, different type. I will discuss those also. Okay, now see. Treatment. Please suggest treatment in books. Beta, how will you treat these things in books, sir? So easy it is. How? Sir, please draw a timeline. Is this must for exam? No. This is only for control of question. 31st March 2020 is the timeline for year ending. And goods were sold for rupees 15,000. At this date, $15,000 goods sold. At this rate was 48 rupees per dollar. At the year end, dollar rate was 52 rupees per dollar. And at the receiving date, that is what? 25th April. 15th May 2019. At that date, rate was 51 rupees per dollar. प्लीज डू दिस सर. लास्ट में 7.20 का कॉन्सेप्ट एक्सप्लेन कर दोगे? यस बेटा कर देंगे बेटा, टेंशन क्यों लेते हो सर. 10 बार लाइक कर दिया शैतान देविया, 10 बार लाइक कर दिया. लाइक करते हो फिर हटा देते हो, फिर दोबारा से लाइक करते हो, वही आ जाता है. एनीवेज, नाउ आंसर. नेक्स्ट, इनिशियल ट्रांजैक्शन, इनिशियल रिकॉग्नाइजेशन ऑन 15th May 2019. How will you record? Mr. B limited account debit $15,000 multiplied by 48 rupees per dollar. That is how much? Very good. One of the student has given me answer 7,20,000. 7,20,000. I am not writing here any narration. To sales account being goods sold to B limited for $15,000. 48 is the rate. Then on 31st March 2020, subsequent recognition. Then rate has been increased or decreased. So 48 was and now 52. It means increase. It means our debtor has increased. So we have to revalue our debtor. Rather, I would like to say, instead of word revalue, I would like to say reinstate. Sir, आप ओ बोलते हो ना, it's really good to listen. Okay नेहा. देवराज, good evening sir जी. Class running. Reply me sir ji. Yes beta, class is running beta. I have given you jadoo, don't worry. Devraj, I was asking you. Anyways, now is the time to reinstate. And what was the rate? Latest rate 52. Recorded already 48. It means 3 rupees have been increased. It means, sorry, 4. So 60,000 will be the upgradation of debtors to difference in exchange rate. Sir, can we do this? What? Sir, can we do this? Please tell us, sir. Can we do this? What? Beta, what? Sir, can we do this? We can transfer the amount directly to P&L. Of course, yes. Difference in exchange rate to P&L. But for the purpose of recording in P&L, you have to post some accounts now. So that account are being open in this way. Anyways, on 25th of April, I think this is the collection date, 25th of April. Yes, 51 is the rate. So 25th of April, it is the collection date. Yes, at this date, rate was again updated. It means we have to update the debtor again. So we have updated the debtor already up to 52. Now we have to revise the debtor again down. We have to down the debtor. It means we have to credit the debtor to be limited. Yes. How much? Sir, $15,000 are there. Okay. Sir, it was 52 up to which we have updated. Okay. Now what happened? Sir, 51. It means 1 rupees has gone down. Okay. It means we have to down the debtor by rupees 15,000. Very simple. So simple. And where you will transfer? Of course, difference in exchange rate. This time loss. Earlier it was profit. Difference in exchange rates account debit. 15,000 to A limited, sorry, B limited debtors. So easy it is. So easy it is. Oh. Now we shall be transferred. We shall be receiving the amount bank account debit to B limited. B limited is paying us $15,000, and those dollar we have sent to bank and received the amount in the domestic currency rupees. So that will be converted at the rupees 51. So what will be the amount in this case, beta? Who will tell me? What will be the amount in this case? 7,65,000. So beta, where you will transfer the difference in exchange? Of course, sir, P&L. Oh, sir, now we are clear. The foreign currency transaction means the transaction in foreign currency which is being denominated in foreign currency, and foreign currency means the currency other than domestic currency. So easy it is. And we have also learned that in case of foreign currency transaction, we have to transfer the profit or loss to profit and loss account in the respective year, and we have to reinstate the balance at year end, and at the time of collection we have to again update that, and then we have to collect. Same is the case with the payments, sir. Another example we want. Okay, since you are saying so, this is what example number 3. Everyone, I am waiting for a message. Tell me fast. Up to example number 3, everything is okay. This is what example number 3. I am waiting now for your message that up to example number 3, everything is okay. And last example we are doing now, that is what? Example number 4. Come on 15th April. Beta, let me know please. Everything is up to this okay. This is the last example of foreign currency transaction. After that, we shall move to next. One of the most important, 46 para 46. Or it's really hurts. I am waiting for a message. Oh. Come on, everyone. Yes, sir, clear. Okay, sir, clear. Clear up to now. Till now, all clear. Clear, okay. Everything is okay. Very clear, very much, sir. Yes, sir, clear. Okay, beta, very good. Okay, please solve the last question for foreign currency transaction. On 15th of April, A Limited, I think I have discussed this example in the last class. No, anyways, no. A Limited purchase, this time purchase goods from X Limited. That is also in USA. For how much dollar? $17,000. This is the 15th April 2019. Wait a minute. On 15th April 2019. But payment was made. Beta, this is really good example. जबरदस्त एग्जांपल है. मतलब मैं आपको ही बताऊं, ये एग्जांपल ना आपको, यस, आपको सारी चीजें ना वन शॉट में सारे रिवाइज करा देंगे. आप मतलब कुछ भी नहीं करोगे ना, अगर एग्जांपल भी कर लोगे, even if you are not revising the concept, if you are revising the examples, still you will be getting the complete understanding of these topics just immediately just before exam. Beta, 45 raha nahi shagufta 45 is not remaining. 60,000 was earlier year reinstated profit and loss. Okay beta, and 15,000 in the next. Yes, but these are the questions of exam which I am solving here in the form of example. Don't worry. Only these type of the questions are being asked in exam. Anyways, now, but the payment was made on 17th of August 2019. And don't worry, we shall solve the examination question also. You will see yourself. Okay, don't worry. exchange rates on different dates have been given by examiner. 15th April 2019, then 17th of August 2019. At this date, rate was 54 rupees per dollar. Beta, it is not necessary in exam you will find only dollar, because America is good friend for us. No, beta, you may find any other currency name also. Okay, beta. So don't think that only dollar comes in our exam. 53 rupees per dollar. Now see. Suggest the accounting treatment. Suggest the accounting treatment. Come on, everyone. Solve this question fast, in the fastest manner. I am waiting that all of you are solving this question. Sure, sure. Please draw timeline. Okay. Since you are saying, I am drawing. सर हमने कब बोला? आप अपने आप ही मजे ले रहे हो? नहीं बेटे. I know what you want for your exam. Okay, now our question has been drawn. Very good, very good, very good. Fast. Like 100 rupees per dollar. $100 per rupees. Very good, Divya. Yes. I like this speed. Very good, beta. More than 150 are watching at YouTube, and I got only 52 likes. It really hurts. YouTube. Now, come on, let's do it. Let's solve this. Answer. I hope screen is clearly visible to all of you. On 15th of April 2019, entries there. Purchase account debit to B Limited, that is, no, sorry, X Limited. This is what in this question there is X Limited. X Limited is creator. 17,000 multiplied by 54. 9,18,000. Very, very good. Very, very good. Very, very good. Very, very good. And after that, very good. Everyone is giving answer. I am seriously liking this time. All of you are answering parallelly, like you are in face-to-face class. On 17th of August, 2019, see, 15.5 is the rate, and what happened here on 15 on this date? Payment was made on this date, on 17th of August. Okay, all the payment has been done on this date, means $17,000 have been paid on this date. So easy it is. First, we have to update the creator beta. 54 was the rate, and now the rate has been revised up to 55.5. It means since the rate has been increased, our creator also increased. Very good beta Priyanka, very good everyone. मजा आ गया, दिल से मजा आ गया. So let's increase the debtor X limited. $17,000 are there. $17,000 are there, and that has been increased up to 55.5. Earlier it was recorded up to 54. It means 1.5 has increased. That is how much? 25,500. Very good everyone, very good. Perfect answer by all of you. Highly impressed from your batch. I don't think so I am fast. Please tell me if I am fast, everyone. If you are saying, then I will definitely slow my speed. Now, X limited was paid. X limited account debit to bank. $17,000 multiplied by 55.5. So what is the amount? 9,43,500. 9,43,500 is the amount. So easy it is. Sir, it's the time to transfer to PNL. Jan entry is clear. Sub, batao how to write, sir? Yes. See. 31st March 2020. Beta, difference will be transferred to PNL. PNL account debit to difference in exchange rates. 25,500. So one of the student is asking, sir, now please tell us how to write in exam. If such a type of question is coming in exam, then how will you write? Okay, let's solve a question of exam. Attempt was 2009 June attempt. Beta, 2009 June attempt exam. Okay, beta. Let's solve this question according to the same. Okay. Yes. Yes. Come on. Please solve this question in the presentation manner. So this is what example number. What is the example number? And its attempt 2009 June attempt. Actually, at that time, this is what example number 4 and then example number 5. Actually, at that time, my attempt was postponed for 1 month. Example number 5. No treatment for 53, beta. Beta, one of the student is asking, sir, please tell us what about the treatment regarding this. Now, please tell me, everyone. Beta, for transferring the nominal balance, we have to wait for the year end. Maybe some more balances can come in the same ledger, you know. Okay. And very good, Shagufta. There is no use of 53 because $17,000 was the amount for which we were dealing in this, and that has been paid. There is no balance in the creators account that we need to update at the year end. Yes, very good answer by Anmol. It has been given to confuse. Very good, Avantika. No need to consider. No treatment on 31st March. Very good, Ankur. Very good, everyone. Very, very good. Now, please solve this question of exam with the presentation manner. Let's start. Beta, I am directly giving you the timeline for the question. Instead of writing the question, I am saving your time to write. Okay, beta? So this was the question of exam. And I have changed the year so that you may be finding in your exam with the recent year. 2009 and many more attempts. Such a type of questions are coming. That is what? This is the date. That is what? 26th Feb 2020. And this is what? 31st March 2020. This is what? 1st April 2019. This is what? This is the starting date of year. Next, 31st March 2021. And here what happened? Goods purchased. Dollar how much? US dollar 1000. And rate was there. Exchange rate is equal to what? 46.60 rupees per dollar. At year end, the rate was 47 rupees per dollar. At 5th of June, at which date beta? 5th of June. 5th June 2020. Rate was 47.50 rupees per dollar. And next, at this date, 48 rupees 0.50 rupees per dollar. This was the question. Very good, Madhav. Absolutely perfect. Very good, bhai Tehseen. Very good, everyone. Beta, there is no page number. I am directly giving you the question of exam. Don't worry. We have discussed the concept. Either study material will come or examination question will come. We have to practice all the things. We have to be on tips with our practice of the concept. Anyways, okay. Now, question was saying, calculate gain or loss for financial year 1920 and 2021 as per AS 11. How will you write this question in exam? How will you solve this question in exam with the presentation? Yes, beta. That was the payment date. Absolutely perfect. You are right. Paid on this date. Very good, beta. Paid $1,000 on this date. Very good, Bhavika. Thank you, beta. So, beta, in the exam, so one of the student was asking, beta, please tell me what is the name, sir, how to write. He or she was continuously asking. So, anyways, beta, please now focus who was asking and rest all the student. In this question, how will we answer in exam? Answer. First of all, such problem is related to AS 11. The effect of changes in exchange rates the effect of changes in exchange rates. Then, beta, In exam, you have to use single color pen. Write down here provision as per AS 11. Beta, you have to focus one thing while writing the solution, and in this solution, while you are writing the provision, the relevant provision you must point out here. Note the full accounting standard. Beta, most of the students what they do, they commit this mistake. They start to write complete accounting standard. Whatever we are having, we shall tell you. No, beta, examiner do not want to doesn't want to listen all the things. Examiner is focused with the relevant point. So give the relevant provision there. As like in this case, you have to give the answer related to foreign currency transaction. Since this is the question belonging to transaction. Transaction means one or two or three transactions. It is not like business operation. We have not established any business in foreign, like branch, subsidiary, etc. These are called foreign operation. I will tell you now after this example what is foreign operation and how we shall treat them in books. But this is what this question belongs to transaction. You know, transaction you have already learned in foundation: purchase, sale, but these are the transaction. We have not established any branch or office there. Okay. Anyways, now move back. So here we are mentioning the provision relating to foreign currency transaction out of the complete accounting standard 11. See, foreign currency transaction. Please write down foreign currency transactions should be recorded initially at spot rate. Beta, you already know what do you mean by spot rate. That is the actual transaction date, the rate of that date at which actually transaction occurred. Okay, but the language must be of related to AS, that is the spot rate. And subsequently at year end monetary item. But for the time being, please understand, debtors and creditors are monetary item. Debtors and creditors are termed as monetary item. I will explain, don't worry, after this example. Okay, the language is this one. Subsequently at the year end, monetary items are revised, or you can say updated, reinstated, whatever the word you want to use. Revise at closing rate. The difference of exchange rate, the difference of exchange rates at year end and at the date of settlement is transferred to P&L account. But you have written here the provision first, that we are calculating the gain or loss as per AS 11. But first we are telling you that such problem related to AS 11, and as per AS 11, this is the provision to calculate the gain and loss for foreign currency transaction. Now you are writing here another thing, another heading. In the given case, in the given case. Here, foreign currency transactions here foreign currency transactions are to be recognized at three different stages as under. No beta, in exam we should not write only journal entry. In the given case is not the confusing part. Only that person will get confused who are not revising the concept thoroughly. Beta, please don't mind. I'm giving you some hard word, but this is the right time to give that word so that you may be very strict to yourself. Beta, very simple. You know what the profit or loss will be. Yes, sir. That will be gain or loss. Yes. You are writing the same thing. That how you have calculated that in the AS language. And now you are telling here one thing that we are calculating as per that provision as under. You can write in this way also. And now solve the journal entries, whatever we have practiced up to this without any presentation mode. Okay. Now please see. You will give here heading. Number one, on which date? First date will be on which date? Beta, in exam use only single color pen even for heading. First date will be 26 Feb 2020. You are writing here three stage. Stage number one on 26 Feb 2020. That is what? Initial recognition. Okay. At which date you are writing this one? And what is that? See. Purchase account debit. Purchase account debit. Purchase account debit. What is the dollar? What is the dollar? Sir, $1,000 as per this example multiplied by 46.60 rate. It means 46 lakhs 60,000 is the amount, total amount 600. Two sundry creditors, that is at 46,600. Everyone, please let me know everything is okay up to this. Thank you, sir. I want exactly the answer, so I asked many times for clarity on it. Okay, beta Ram. So you are having the clarity, whatever you have written in the given case. What you have written? Beta, I have written in the given case that here foreign currency transaction are to be recognized at three different stages as under. Okay, Meenakshi. You are asking, you are having making the question mark on my writing. Oh, anyways, beta, if you are not able to understand, then please always ask. It was just a joke. Always ask if your writing is not clear to all of you. Sir, how many marks in this question? Beta, at least 5 to 8. Okay. Anyways, now please see purchase account debit to syndicators. Next one, everyone. B, second stage. Subsequent recognition. Subsequent recognition. Beta, after this, we shall move to next topic. Beta, why credited to syndicators? Beta, as per this example, we have purchased goods. Goods purchase $1,000. Okay, so we are crediting to sundry creditors because we don't know foreign creditor name. Okay, subsequent recognition now on, wait a minute, on 31st March 2020. What happened here, everyone? Difference in exchange rates account debit to sundry creditors because rates have increased, and now we have to update the creditors also. Remember, no knowledge without practice, and you have practiced a lot with me, so it will be now more than sufficient for all of you. Beta, 400 rupees the difference. So creditors have been updated. Now after that, again, next entry will be on the same date because this is the year end. Yes, sir. At this date, again, what you will do, you will transfer this difference to P&L. Sir, have we paid? No, beta, in next year you have paid. So you cannot do the payment entry at this date. Obviously. Come on, come on, come on, everyone. Those which are going to sleep, kindly awake. And now, is there any full form of sport rate? No, beta, no FIR, no report or faisla on the sport. Okay, beta, sport. Tanushika. Okay, next. Now, next entries on which date, beta? On 5th of June 2020. That is what? Payment date. What happened there? Beta, our rate again changed. Again changed. So again, we have to update the creditors. Now, up to 47, we have already updated. Yes, sir. Now, again, we have to increase the creditors. Okay, difference in exchange rates. Account debit to sundry creditors. $1,000 multiplied by beta 47.5 हो गया है. Existing was updated already up to 47. Now it's the time to खिसको. अब इस टॉपिक को दो खिसका. अब हमने इस टॉपिक की अच्छी खासी प्रैक्टिस कर ली. अब हम चलेंगे नेक्स्ट टॉपिक पे. सो बेटा, नाउ व्हाट यू विल डू, सन्ड्री क्रेडिटर्स अकाउंट डेबिट टू बैंक $1,000 multiplied by 47.50. It means 47,500. 47,500. And now after that, मस्ती की पाठशाला शैतान. मस्ती की पाठशाला, मस्ती की पाठशाला. Number 3. On 31st March 2021, what we shall do? We shall transfer the difference in exchange rate. You know, earlier that was 31st March 2020. Now this one. P&L account debit to difference in exchange rate. And don't say, sir, why don't we transfer on 5th of June? Beta, maybe any other foreign transaction during the rest of the period in the year. In that case, what will you do? You will open many accounts? No, I don't think so. There should be any confusion to all of you. I think up to this, everything is okay. Okay. Now, it's the time to solve another point, last point. That is what? Next. So before moving further, I want to discuss with you, all of you, everyone. Can I say foreign currency transaction is now okay? Yes, sir. It is crystal clear now. नींद से उठाकर पूछ लो. वाह वाह पार्थ, राणा जी मुझको राणा जी माफ करना. मजा, वाह वाह, मजा आ गया. Gaurav, okay. So I am waiting for everyone. No report, no support. Faisla on the, no FIR, no report. Priyanka. Faisla on the spot. Anyways, so now the time is for another part. That is what? Para 46 and para 46 capital A. रिमेंबर एवरीवन, एग्जाम में जनएंट्री का फॉर्मेट जनएंट्री के फॉर्मेट में ही ना बनाए बेटा. फर्स्ट गिव प्रोविजन ऑफ फेयर्स, देन सोल्व द क्वेश्चन एज पर द रिक्वायरमेंट. यू कैन give जनएंट्री फॉर्मेट. Okay, if you want to draw the line for generative format, then it is okay. If you are not drawing the generative line, then also okay. Don't worry, you are now expected in exam the expert professional knowledge. Okay, crystal clear, completely okay. Yes sir. Saras say okay. Yes sir, super duper clear. Okay, yes sir, true. नींद से उठा के पूछ लो ये ये भी बोलोगे. Okay, big yes. Till now everything is understood sir. Any conclusion at the end of the answer we have to give? No beta Tanushka, here question was not asking for any different things. Okay beta, here question was asking please tell us. If question was about to ask whether we have done wrong or right, only then, or we have done this treatment, now please tell us what about the opinion for our this treatment, then only you have to give conclusion. Because already they are surrender approach, they are asking you please tell us. They are not saying we have done this, kindly suggest. If there is any treatment already, only then you have to give your conclusion that this is not the correct thing, etc etc. Clearly understood sir, very well. Yes sir, understood. Any conclusion? Okay, everything clear. नींद में भी बोलेंगे. Okay, very good. What is paras 46A? Now it's the time to 46 and 46A. If you will ask your senior, then you will find that definitely out of them, many of will say yes, para 46 and 46A is really tough or important, etc etc. But my friend, this is really very easy. If you prepare a chart and solve two illustration with me, and you will again get bored and you will say this is also easy, why you are wasting your time sir? But remember, only the practice is there which makes anything easy. Anyways, let's give a heading. Second heading, please give a heading here, para 46 and 46 capital A. Para 46. मजा आ गया सर. थैंक यू बेटा मीनाक्षी बाबू. Last question, last point. Okay, wait a minute. Sir, for article chip, can I join near you? Lokesh beta, I am in a firm which is top 8 firm, top out of 10 top 10 CA firm. I am practicing with them, and I am teaching also and practicing also since 2010. And I will suggest go for big 10 firm. If you would like, if you want articleship, then you can search top 10 firm. You will find one of the name of the firm in which I am associate right nowadays. Anyways, so I am practically applying all these accounting standards, and I am also practically applying the CA final accounting standard. Those are named as Ind AS. The big level accounting standard are called Ind AS. Beta, I am feeling very easy since 2010 while practicing the same thing in the practical market. So I am clear about these concepts. I am not saying that any other is not clear. I am just saying that this is the first time I am seeing respective ICAI has designed this syllabus with the practical case study also. And I am seeing now the question in the study material are coming in the same practical approach, in the same practical way which we are facing in the market. Anyways, okay, let's start. So para 46 and 46 capital A. So I'm writing here a chart. Please prepare a chart. Whatever I'm writing, please be strict to that. Option, beta, I am writing the keyword to remember you all these things. Options, option available to companies. I'm not explaining anything. First, I'm writing options have been given to companies for treatment of difference in exchange rates amount. If there is difference in exchange rate, then we have learned up to this that amount is transferred to P&L in case of foreign currency transaction. Yes, sir, of course, we have learned up to this purchase, sale, etc., etc., whatever the case may be. In that case, difference is transferred to P&L. Yes, but in this case, companies have been given an option for treatment of this exchange rate difference. Why this has been given as an option to company? Because if company transfer huge big exchange rate difference to P&L, so huge big exchange rate difference, yes, beta, in the sale purchase of goods, the small amounts are involved, yes, but in case of fixed assets purchase, the big amounts are involved. If you are purchasing a machinery, definitely uh, that will be purchased with a big consideration. Yes, and the big consideration is there. It means if there will be any foreign exchange rate effect on that, then definitely that will also be having the big amount in volume. Yes, so if there is big amount involved in case of fixed assets purchase, the exchange rate will also be difference, and that difference will give a lot of impact suddenly on the profit and loss. And especially for public company, this was inserted by MCA, and this was given the option to the companies that instead of transferring in the one shot whole big amount to P&L, which reduce your profit and loss very down, and shareholders get panic that this company is about to sunk, about to uh, about to fail. So due to this fear, companies have been given an option that you may do this thing. So what the option is there? Options available to company for treatment of such difference which was arised from the translation, can I say, revising, translation of, at year end what we do, we revalue, we reinstate, we revise the dollar or etc. foreign currency outstanding liability with the close at the closing rate. So the same thing is being told here, arise from the translation of long term foreign currency monetary item. Please write down in bracket, that is foreign loan, foreign long term loans, foreign long terms loan. Okay, so here I am also teaching you in Hindi. Don't worry, I am explaining you Hindi. See, very good, beta. But please see. Now I am explaining in Hindi. भाई देखो, बहुत सीधी सी बात है. होगा क्या, अगर कोई कंपनी, सब बच्चे जो हिंदी वाले हैं वो सुन ले जरा. अगर कोई कंपनी बाहर से लोन लेकर के और क्या कर रही है, फिक्स एसेट्स खरीद रही है. और फिक्स एसेट्स कौन सी होगी, अभी मैं आगे लिखने वाला हूं इसमें, डेप्रिशिएबल फिक्स एसेट्स. अगर कोई बाहर से लोन लेकर के डेप्रिशिएबल फिक्स एसेट्स खरीद रही है कंपनी, तो ऐसी कंपनी के लिए ऑप्शन दिया गया कि भाई तुमने ऐसा मत करो कि सारा का सारा एक्सचेंज डिफरेंस जो तुम्हारी इस लोन की ईयर एंड पर जो तुम रिवैल्यू कर रहे हो और अमाउंट बहुत डिफरेंट आ रही है, बड़ी अमाउंट आ रही है, क्योंकि बड़ी अमाउंट पे मशीन खरीदोगे ऑफ कोर्स, और बड़ा लोन लोगे, और लोन का ईयर एंड पे बैलेंस भी बड़ा होगा, सारा तो एकदम से पे नहीं कर रहे होंगे. तो इसका मतलब क्या है, उसके रिवैल्यूएशन पे जो अमाउंट का डिफरेंस आएगा ना एक्सचेंज रेट का, भाई उसको ना पीएनएल में एकदम से मत डाल देना, वरना हाहाकार मच जाएगा, तुम्हारे शेयर्स के रेट डाउन हो जाएंगे. और कंपनी को बड़ी चिंता रहती है शेयर्स की, मार्केट में उसकी वर्थ तभी तो होगी. तो इसलिए कंपनी को ऑप्शन दिया, भाई एक काम करो, आपके पास ऑप्शन है, या तो आप सारा डाल दो पीएनएल में अगर आप इस बात से नहीं डरते हो, नहीं तो फिर दूसरा काम कर लो जो हम बताने जा रहे हैं. ठीक है बेटा. यस यस बेटा, लोन इज मॉनेटरी आइटम. यस प्लीज, आई विल टेल यू. मॉनेटरी आइटम डेप्रिशिएबल मींस बेटा, तुषार तुम हिंदी के हो तो मैं इसलिए हिंदी में बता रहा हूँ. डेप्रिशिएबल मतलब भाई जिस पर डेप्रिशिएशन लगता है ना, जैसे बिल्डिंग हो गया, प्लांट मशीन भी होगी, लैंड पे डेप्रिशिएशन नहीं लगता ना बेटा. हरास बोलते थे हम हिंदी में. ट्रांसलेशन के रिवाइजिंग, दिस इज व्हाट रिवाइजिंग, REVISING. So beta, now explaining in Hindi. In case company is buying the depreciable assets with the help of foreign currency loan, and that loan must be long term. If company is buying the machinery after taking long term foreign currency loan, then companies have been given an option, okay beta, for treatment of exchange rate difference, but that loan must be utilized for only, that is given option only if depreciable assets, depreciable fixed assets acquired by such long term foreign currency loan. In this case, what happened beta? सी, हाँ, मूल्य ह्रास. वाह वाह अनमोल, दिल जीत लिया. मैं भी हिंदी से था, मैं भी ह्रास लिखा करता था. एनीवेज, in this case what we shall do, company has been given an option. So what is the beta, what is option? So what is option? Option for companies, but when option will be received, only if buying depreciable assets, fixed assets from, by taking long term foreign currency loan. In that case option will be available, either or, either or, either or, either or, either or, either do this, either choose option number 1 or choose option number 2, but only one time selection is there, there will be no any change in that decision. Okay. Anyways, beta please see. Either as normal transfer to P&L. Either do this or 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 you can do this one thing, that transfer such difference of exchange rate. Beta, you know when such difference was arise, when at year end you revise the loan amount, liability amount at the year end rate. Okay, beta, the difference arise that transfer such difference of exchange rate to fixed assets. Sorry, that depreciable fixed assets to that depreciable fixed assets, either plus or minus. Plus will be when you will be debiting the fixed assets. Credit will, otherwise minus will be when credited the fixed assets. Okay, beta. I hope I could tell you the things. Sir, what about non-depreciable assets? Beta, see, other than these, what about other this thing, other than these? See, in otherwise case, this was for depreciable fixed assets. Yes, sir. Now, what about non-depreciable fixed assets? Beta, please write down here. For non-depreciable fixed assets. After writing this, we shall take a break and then we shall solve the question after the break, so that you may take a pause before solving the question, because you have already practiced with me in the other topics. Anyways, see, it means what will be there? There will be long term loan. Yes. In foreign currency, of course. To purchase non-depreciable fixed assets. Non-depreciable fixed assets. In that case, rather I would like to say, in case of non-depreciable assets, please write down in this way. For others, write down in this way. For others, sorry, please write down in this way, so that all the things will be covered in a single chart. Okay, beta. For others, other long term means other than covered in first, that was for purchasing fixed assets, depreciable one. Okay, and other than that, whether for non-depreciable asset, whether for purchasing inventory, whether for etc., whatever the case may be, all the others, but that must be long term loan. Okay, beta. Then transfer, sorry, to purchase other assets or related to liability transferred to, what the treatment will be? Transferred to FCMIT. That is what? F for foreign, C for currency, M for monetary, I for items, T for translation, difference account. In this account, हाँ बेटा माधव, थैंक यू बाबू, मैं पंखा बंद करूंगा अभी. बेटा listen to me very carefully. What we have covered in this case, sir, we have covered in this case that there must be long-term loan. Yes, that loan must be for purchasing depreciable assets. Yes, only in that case there is an option. But in this case, other than this, all other long-term foreign exchange rate difference other than for purchasing depreciable assets means, sir, other than that, for example, we are purchasing the land by taking the loan from foreign, number one. This is also example for this option. Okay, next one thing is also there, sir, is this only for liability? You know, in case of first, here, can I say this one as number A? Can I say this one as A? I am giving this name A. In this case, what happened here? Only the difference was for increasement of liability, foreign exchange liability. And in this case, difference is other than that, means here difference will be for purchasing the other than depreciable assets, means for purchasing non-depreciable assets by taking the loan from foreign. Yes, and that loan, if taken, that is related to liability, the difference belonging to liability. Yes, sir, is there any other case that is the long-term loan and related to assets? Yes, beta, I can give loan or advance to outsiders, since here we have written the assets also. That means if this is what Mr. and Mr. I, that is okay, Mr. A, that is in India, and Mr. A has given loan long term loan to Mr. B. Yes, sir, Mr. B, that is in USA, and that loan is receivable at year end. Yes, in that case, what will happen? That is our assets or not? Yes, because monetary item is not only to pay the monetary, pay the amount. Okay, beta, that is also to receive. So I will explain you monetary item. Don't worry, that will be covered in foreign operation part. Okay, beta, because I want to teach you one thing at the one time, and that will be read in full chapter. Otherwise, there may be some confusion. So the difference may be due to revaluation of assets or liability, and assets and liabilities, that is either receivable or payable, are called monetary, which are receivable or payable in monetary form. Yes, like loan taken, loan given. So other than for A point, means, sir, in the A point, what we have done? We have taken long-term loan. Yes, it means we are talking about liability. Yes, we have taken loan from foreign. Yes. Number two, we have taken loan for buying a depreciable assets. Yes, and the loan is long term. Hence, the difference will be treated as per the choice of company. But once opted, cannot be changed. Beta, here it is the mandatory option that if you have selected this, then you cannot change. This is what danger here. Next one, if you are not falling in A, means you are not taking only the loan, you are not taking loan to buy only the depreciable fixed asset. Maybe you are taking the loan for other than for the purchase of other than depreciable asset, then you will fall in B. Okay, maybe you are not only the liability part, maybe you have given the loan. In that case also you will be covered in B part. So in that case, long-term loan has been given, then also you will be falling here. In this case, the difference will be transferred to FCMIT account, foreign currency monetary items translation account. Translation, because at year end we are just translating, revising the rate, the liability or assets. Okay, beta. So for purchase of land, case B is applicable. Yes, beta, because that is not the depreciable assets. Very good, Swati. I hope I could tell you this thing. Okay, after the break, we shall be solving illustration number, that is what? Illustration number 8 and 9. Beta, please see, as I told you, we shall be practicing here illustration number 8 and 9. So we are taking the 10-minute break. Someone is asking, sir, if we have given long-term loan, yes, for purchase of assets, beta, remember we have given long-term loan. Whatever the use will be there, that will be at the second end, not at our end. What we can classify for purchase of depreciable, non-depreciable only while we are receiving the loan. We know the amount received and we know the purpose of that receiving, but we cannot classify the other person. We have given someone the long-term loan, the use may be whatever, for that for us that is only our assets. Okay बेटा, भाविका सर एक बार हिंदी में समझा दीजिए. ओके, नाउ आई एम एक्सप्लेनिंग दिस इन हिंदी. आफ्टर दैट वी शैल टेक ए ब्रेक. भाई देखो, जो बच्चे हिंदी में सुनो ध्यान से. होगा क्या, हुआ क्या, जो भी कंपनी डेप्रिशिएबल फिक्स्ड एसेट खरीदेगी लोन लेकर के, ठीक है, फॉरेन करेंसी से लोन लेगी लॉन्ग टर्म का, और डेप्रिशिएबल फिक्स्ड एसेट खरीदेगी. ईयर एंड पर उनका अगर लोन बचा हुआ है तो उनका क्या होगा, रिवाइज करेंगे उसको ईयर एंड वाले डेट पर, है ना. तो क्या होगा, वहां पर डिफरेंस आएगा. तो कहते हैं ऐसे केस में कंपनी को ऑप्शन है, लेकिन कब, जब कंपनी है, नंबर एक बात. नंबर दूसरी बात, लॉन्ग टर्म लोन ले रही है फॉरेन करेंसी में. नंबर तीसरी बात, वो डेप्रिशिएबल फिक्स्ड एसेट खरीदने के लिए लोन ले रही है. तो ऐसे केस में कंपनी को ऑप्शन दिया गया, भाई तुम एकदम से अपना P&L डाउन मत करो या बढ़ाओ मत, एकदम एबनॉर्मलिटी आ जाएगी. इसलिए क्या करो, आपकी मर्जी है, आप चाहो तो एकदम से डाउन कर लो या आप कर लो जो भी प्रॉफिट या लॉस है, या फिर एक काम करो, इसको ना क्या करो, यहाँ पे ट्रांसफर कर दो. कहां पर, एक अलग अकाउंट में ट्रांसफर कर देंगे हम लोग. ठीक है, कहां पर, सॉरी, फिक्स एसेट्स में ही डेबिट या क्रेडिट कर दो. अपने फिक्स एसेट्स में डेबिट क्रेडिट करोगे तो P&L में हिट नहीं करेगा. तो ऐसे केस में क्या होगा, आपकी फिक्सेस भले ही अप डाउन हो जाए लेकिन P&L अप डाउन नहीं होगा एकदम से. ठीक है. दूसरी बात, कहते हैं कि भाई ऊपर जो ए में कवर था उसके अलावा सारी बातें यहां पे आएगी बी में, अगर वो लॉन्ग टर्म लोन है तो. लॉन्ग टर्म लोन चाहे दिया या लिया, ठीक है. और इस केस में जो डिफरेंस आएगा, कहते हैं भाई ऐसे केस में क्या करो, उसको फॉरेन करेंसी मॉनेटरी आइटम में ट्रांसफर कर दो. भाई यहाँ पे खाली ए में पॉइंट था, सिर्फ और सिर्फ लॉन्ग टर्म लोन लेने वाली लायबिलिटी की बात कर रहे थे बस खाली. अगर भाई लोन लिया, यहाँ पे कह रहे हैं कि भाई चाहे लोन लिया डेप्रिशिएबल एसेट्स के अलावा, वाले भी यहाँ पे कवर होंगे, या फिर हमने कहीं पे लोन दिया बाहर तो वो भी हमारी क्या एसेट्स, और ईयर एंड पे हम क्या करें, उनको रिवैल्यू करेंगे. ठीक है. ऐसे केस में कह रहे हैं कि भाई ये ना फॉरेन करेंसी मॉनेटरी आइटम ट्रांजैक्शन में ट्रांसफर कर दो, इसको बाद में P&L में लेके जाएंगे. ठीक है. सब अपलोड करूंगा बेटा, दीपेश्वर राय बेटा, सब अपलोड करूंगा. सो it's the time to take a break, and after the break we shall be solving the illustration, and of course the illustration is, I have told you already, the illustration number 8 and 9. During the break, what you can do, during the break you can read these questions so that we may we may be practicing in easiest manner. Okay, beta, please take a break. Okay, we are taking only 5 minutes break instead of 10. We are taking 5 minutes break only. Yes, that is acceptable side. Very good. Sir, 5 मिनट का ब्रेक लगा दीजिए प्लीज. Hello everyone. Come on, show me your presence fast. Let's start. Beta, please open illustration number 8. Illustration number 8. Come on, everyone. Those which are watching at YouTube, they can show their presence by giving their likes, comment, share, etc., etc. Come on, everyone. Illustration number 8. A limited purchased fixed assets. A limited purchase fixed assets, beta, costing rupees 3,000 lakhs on 1/1/2001, and the same was fully financed by foreign currency loan. Beta, foreign currency loan in US dollar, yes. Fixed assets purchase, yes. Company is there, yes. Okay. Now, payable into 3 installment and exchange rate of per dollar was given for each date. First installment paid at year end. The entire difference in foreign exchange has been capitalized. Question has given us that we have already treated these things. Beta, forward exchange contract will be discussed in the next class. Don't worry. I will do that. Okay, Priyanka. I'm not discussing that right now because that may create some confusion. Dinner completed. Shaitan Divya. Divya is saying dinner completed. Like 2 times, sorry. and only 1 time. Anyways, beta, question is giving us that the entire difference has been capitalized. Beta, question is saying that such difference has been capitalized. Now, question was asking, you are required to state how this transaction would be accounted for. Question is asking that we have done this treatment. Now tell us how these should be accounted for. Okay, beta. Now next. Beta, this time can I show you solution from the study material so that we may save our time? What question is saying here that we have done the treatment? Beta, study material has given a solution in a very simple way, and because question is definitely easy. So at the year end, whatever the difference is there, that has been capitalized as per the question. It means company has opted the option to capitalize because this is what foreign currency exchange rate, yes. Foreign currency loan, yes. As per that condition is satisfied, yes. To purchase a fixed asset, but here question has not given us whether that is depreciable or not. Since such has been capitalized, so we are presuming here that such was for depreciable. That's the reason company has opted, etc., etc. Now see what question has given us solution here. First of all, question is given us the provision. See, this is the provision. As per AS 11, difference should be recognized as an income or expense, means that should be transferred to P&L. Okay. Thus, exchange difference, whatever that recognized as income, as per this question is saying that that should be transferred to P&L as per this language. Yes, this is a simple language. Okay, beta. So the loan was of how much? Sir, loan was 3,000 lakh. Okay, the 3,000 lakh is the loan amount, and that has to be paid into 3 annual installment. Yes, but at which date? That is on 1st Jan 2001. At this date, loan was taken. At this date, rate was this one. So can we say 3,000 rupees was received in India, and this was received In this way, that this was received after the conversion of dollar loan received in dollar that has been converted into domestic currency. Can I ask you how many dollars were there which we have taken as a loan? So very simple. At this date, rate was there 40 rupees per dollar. Yes, it means 3000 rupees were received in the foreign currency by $75. While we divide 3000 rupees by the rate per dollar, since 3000 is the rupees, after conversion of dollars into Indian currency, it means $75 was the loan amount, number 1 point. And that will be paid at first year end, and then second year end, and then third year end, $25, $25 principal part, and $25. Since question has not given us the rate of interest, so we are not discussing about that. First, we must understand the question. So question is clear, and question has given us the entire difference in foreign exchange has been capitalized. Beta, see what we are saying by that difference should not be capitalized, difference should be transferred to P&L. Okay, we are saying like this. So beta, see the above answer we are giving here. Question has given us the basis that why we are saying that this should be transferred to P&L, and question has given us that they have treated as capitalized. So why we are saying the above answer, we are saying that it should be transferred to P&L. Why we are saying? We are saying because company has with the assumption that company has not exercised the option of capitalization as per para 46A, 46 and 46A. Now listen to me very carefully. We are giving here both the answer that however if company opts only then company has, then we can say company has done the correct treatment. Please understand the line which I have underlined here. We are dividing beta, we are dividing because Tehseen, the question has given us the converted into India rupees 3000. So first we are finding what the loan was there in dollar that has been converted at the rate of 40 rupees per dollar into Indian currency, that is rupees 3000. So we are solving the question first by reverse calculation. Okay, beta. So that's the reason we were dividing. Anyways, so what question is asking that we have capitalized. Now tell us whether we have done wrong or right. Then we are telling them, explaining them. Number one, that you should not capitalize, you should transfer to P&L. But we are saying this answer because as per our understanding and assumption, we are giving this answer because we are assuming that company has not opted for para 46A. Company has not taken the option. Company has not utilized the option. Company has not utilized the option. See this one. Either company should opt the option. If company is not opting the option, then company should transfer to P&L. So we are presuming that company has not utilized the option, hence that company must transfer to P&L. And we have also told, however, please read from this. However, if company opts to avail para 46 capital A, then company has done treatment correctly by capitalizing, because in that case, if option is selected, then assets will be either debited or credited. That is capitalization. If company has opted for para 46A, then that has to be transferred to fixed assets. Okay, beta. This was the relaxation for the company, that instead of affecting the P&L by huge amount, you can directly affect the balance sheet through fixed asset debit balances. Okay, beta. Instead of affecting the P&L, because that will show the abnormal trend and your market may zoom differ. Okay, beta. How to know company has opted? Very good question, sir. How to know company has not opted? Beta, it's better in this case. How we should write this answer? Now I am teaching you as a student. if exam we are finding this question, how we should attend this question. It was up to this, I was telling you what your study material has given you. Now I am at your part. I am in exam, and this question is with in front of me in question paper. Question is asking, you are required to state how these transactions would be accounted for. Beta, question has given me that accountant has capitalized. Okay, it means fixed assets account has been affected. Now see. Now see what I am telling you in this way. First of all, as per AS 11, this is the para 46, that if company has opted for para 46A, only then company can capitalize. If company has not opted for para 46A, then company cannot capitalize. I have given you the things for the AS 11 what you have to write in exam. Now second point, we are also need to mention there that para 46 can be opted only if the loan was taken to purchase the depreciable fixed asset. Question has also not cleared us here that we have purchased the depreciable fixed assets. So now I will say, in the given case, first we shall give the assumption. Since question has not given us, we are presuming that depreciable fixed assets is there, regarding which we are discussing here. Number 1 point. Number two, since question has given us that that has been capitalized, but question has not given us that whether para 46 has been opted or not. Then case A, if not opted para 46A, then company cannot capitalize. Company should transfer to P&L. Case 2, if company has opted para 46 capital A, then company has done the correct treatment. Beta, in this way, I will give you my answer in exam. Okay, beta, because the things which have been left in the question, we should. Very good answer, Divya. Absolutely perfect, beta. Assumption or both? Yes. So, sir, we assume question was asked about para 46 said no, beta Priyanka. We should give the clarity that question you have not given us these things. So we are presuming this thing and we are giving answer on this assumption. So we must also give our assumption that we are giving answer at this. Beta, this type of question is freehand. In this case, you must answer by both the assumption. Since you have not told us the assumption, hence we are giving the solution in both the assumption. Option number 1, if para 46 have been adopted, then this is the answer. If para 46 have not been adopted, then this is the answer. Please tell me, up to this everything is okay or not? Everyone, I want to get. Acha, Bhavika is asking, sir, in Hindi. Bhai देखो, now I am explaining in Hindi for Hindi student. बेटा, इस क्वेश्चन में हमें ये नहीं बता रखा, क्या नहीं बता रखा कि भाई ये डेप्रिशिएबल फिक्स्ड एसेट्स के लिए खरीदी है क्या? लोन जो लिया था हमने डेप्रिशिएबल फिक्स्ड एसेट्स के लिए खरीदा था, खरीदने के लिए लिया था क्या? ठीक है ना? तो हम यहाँ पर सबसे पहले तो हम एज पर एएस हम प्रोविजन बता देंगे कि भाई अगर लॉन्ग टर्म लोन हो, डेप्रिशिएबल फिक्स्ड एसेट्स के लिए लिया हो और कंपनी ने पैरा 46 ऑप्ट किया हो, तब वो उसमें कैपिटलाइज कर सकती है. अगर नहीं किया तो भाई पीरियड में डालेगी डिफरेंस को. फिर हम डालेंगे इन द गिवन केस. भाई क्या हुआ है? क्योंकि हमें क्वेश्चन ने बताया ही नहीं है, कि भाई डेप्रिशिएबल फिक्स्ड एसेट्स है कि नहीं. सबसे पहले तो हम ये मान रहे हैं कि डेप्रिशिएबल फिक्स्ड एसेट्स के लिए ही लोन लिया गया था. नंबर दूसरी बात हमें क्वेश्चन ने ये नहीं बताया कि भाई कंपनी ने पैरा 46 ऑप्ट किया था कि नहीं किया था. तो यहां पर हम आंसर इस बेस पे दे रहे हैं. केस नंबर ए, भाई पैरा 46 ऑप्ट किया था, तो भाई ऑप्ट किया था तो ट्रीटमेंट करेक्ट कर रखा है. केस नंबर बी, भाई पैरा 46 ऑप्ट नहीं किया था, तो भाई पीएनएल में डालना चाहिए था, कंपनी ने फिर ट्रीटमेंट गलत कर रखा है. हम बेटा फिर दोनों आंसर देके आएंगे. ओके बेटा, जो बच्चे हिंदी के, सोहेल, राहुल एक्सेट्रा एक्सेट्रा और रेस्ट ऑल, sir please once again explain Hindi. Okay, English. Okay, sharply clear Guruji. Okay beta, once again I am explaining now in English. First of all, in exam, if we are finding this question, we shall answer in this way. As per AS 11, this is the provision that if company has taken a loan, that is long term loan, to buy a depreciable fixed assets, in that case company, if opted for para 46A, then company can do this treatment by capitalizing debit or credit in the respective fixed assets. Otherwise, company must transfer to P&L. We have given the provision. Now we shall give in answer second part in the given case. First, we shall clear the situation that since the question you have not given us these things, so we are giving you the clear the assumption. Since now we shall write in this way in the given case, since question has not given us that loan was taken long term, hence we are presuming that long term loan is there. Since question has not given us that to purchase the depreciable fixed asset, hence we are presuming that loan was taken to purchase depreciable fixed assets. Now, question has also not given us that whether para 46 capital A has been opted or not. Case number A, if not opted, then treatment is wrong. Company cannot capitalize because para 46 has not been opted. It means that has to be transferred to P&L. Case number B, if we presume that para 46 have been opted, then treatment is correct. Okay, beta. In this way, we shall present our answer in exam. Sir, question it is written entire difference for action has been capitalized. It means they have done the wrong treatment. Beta, in that case, we cannot directly say anything, any person, not even theory, but also in practical life, directly don't say anything as a wrong. Give first your opinion. Our opinion is this, and provision is this. And based on our opinion, in this case, we are presuming that these things are there. Hence, this should be this one. Hence, as per this, question has done the incorrect solution, correct solution. Only then mention that. Okay, beta. Sir, if capitalization, then 46A, and if not, in 46, accounting P&L. Right, sir? Yes, beta. Absolutely perfect, beta. Venkataran. Now, come on. Now it's the time to illustration number 9. Come on, everyone. Read this illustration, and we shall be solving this illustration very, very smoothly. Don't worry. Come on, read this question. A Limited, beta, company is there. Yes, sir. Company is there. Loan has been taken. Yes, sir. In foreign currency. Yes, sir. Rate of interest is there. Yes, sir. To acquire a depreciable assets. Oh, question is giving us another one thing. To purchase the depreciable fixed assets. Okay. Exchange rates are okay. You are required to pass the journal entries in the following case. In all the cases, assuming interest accrued on 31st March 2022 and is paid on the same date. Very easy, very easy, very easy. Sir, if 46A was opted, what the journal entry should be passed? Now, beta, in this through this question, you will be easily understanding. But if 46A has been opted, it means the benefit of 46A, what the benefit was there, for which company should opt, beta, to take the benefit of debiting or crediting the difference amount to fixed assets account instead of P&L, so that their P&L could not be affected with the huge abnormal amount, difference amount. Okay, beta. See, in the first case, if option A 46 is not available, beta, what will you do? You will transfer the difference to P&L account. Okay, beta. Okay. And what will you do in the second case? If availed, then transfer to fixed assets account. And after that, beta, if loan was taken to finance the operation, it means not to procure the depreciable assets, means for any other purpose, then you will transfer to FCMITD account. Okay, beta, foreign currency monetary item translation difference account. Come on, let's solve the question. Let's solve the question with me. First of all, loan was taken on which date? Beta, see, this is the year, This is the year, and 1/4/2001 is starting date, and there are 2 years, I think. Yes, this is what 31st March 2002. Beta, loan was taken here for $10,000. Okay, loan was taken for $10,000. Yes, and rate was there. How much? That is what 48 rupees per dollar. And what was the rate at year end? Sir, that was 51%. Sorry, 51 rupees per dollar. So beta, at year end, if company has not availed the para 46, entire difference will be transferred to P&L. Yes, of course. And what the answer will be here? See, if para 46 has not been availed at the first date, what will be your entry? Number 1 entry. On 1st April, bank account debit to bank loan in the foreign currency. Then at the year end, you will do these 2 entry. At the year end, first you will pay the interest, of course, definitely, and that interest will be paid at the year end. It means the year end dollar rate will apply 51. How will you account for the year end loan? Is there any principal amount which have been paid? No, sir. Question is not given us that anything principal part has been paid. It means you will revalue the loan, revise the loan. Yes, of course. And that loan is being revised at 51. It was taken of 48, and at year end, full $10,000 is pending. It means that has to be updated. Like we have already learned that monetary item will be revalued at year end at closing rate. Beta see, 51 minus 48, it means 3 rupees are there, that has to be updated. It means loan has been increased. Yes, and the difference is there. What is the difference? Sir, this is the difference, and that will be transferred to, of course, P&L, because such as not been, such as not opted for 46 capital, para 46A. Okay, sir, what if means, sir, what if para 46 is availed? Beta, in this case, what happened? See, first entry is same. Yes, sir. At the year end, second 2 entries are same. Yes, sir. In this case, third entry will be additional entry to transfer the foreign exchange difference to the fixed assets account, not to P&L. Not to P&L. Means in the first case, here, there will be third entry, that will be P&L account debit to foreign exchange difference account. Okay, beta. And here, foreign exchange difference will be transferred to property, plant and equipment, fixed assets, depreciable fixed assets. Beta see, next one. The loan was, if the loan was taken for other purpose or other than that, beta, that will be transferred to foreign currency monetary item. Yes, no, to procure a depreciable fixed asset. But in that case, what will you do, everyone? First entry is same, second entry both are same, and third entry is different. Instead of transferring to P&L, now what we shall do? We shall transfer to foreign currency monetary items. Sir, we have more than one loan, say 10 loans for various purpose, then we need to maintain a separate account. That means there are no single maintenance of loan account. Yes, beta, in that case, we have to maintain that separate account. Beta, whatever the things you are discussing here, that is the part of AS 16. According to me, AS 16 and AS 11 must be read together, because there is something which is need to be discussed parallelly. Anyways, still, whatever board of studies have planned, definitely they have planned in better way. 16 AS 16 must be read along with this AS 11, because some provisions are there. According to that, AS 11 will apply in the combined reading of AS 16 and 11. Anyways, let's discuss the other part. So beta, this is the this is what this was the what was this? This was para 46 and 46 capital A. Can I start now? Can I start now? New topic, beta. Everyone, I am waiting for all of you. I am not able to discuss more exam question in this regard because I have time limitation, and due to time pressure, I cannot discuss all the things. Rather practice with all of you all the things in detail. Anyways, this is more than sufficient. Also, can I expect everyone? Please give me a message that up to this everything is okay. Now is the time to discuss foreign currency operation. Now I am going to discuss with you all foreign currency operation. We have practiced illustration number 8 and illustration number 9 also. Everyone, please let me know, sir, where to show what you are saying. Everyone, come on, come on, come on. Of course, beta, in reserve and surplus. Okay, beta. Foreign currency FCTDI, beta, that is to be shown in reserve and surplus. I am writing here. Don't worry. Reserves and surplus head. Okay, beta. In which you will show foreign currency monetary items difference account, translation difference account. Now I want to discuss with you all now next concept, that is a foreign currency. So please of more questions of para 46. No sir, everything is clear. Yes sir, please continue sir. Yes sir, you can start the new topic sir. Okay beta, thank you. Haji sir, please sir, keep going. So please explain point number 3 of illustration number 9. Okay, wait a minute. I want to clear you full question. So first I want to discuss with you the last point. No problem sir. Thanks for telling us. We will revise AS16 with this. Yes beta. So last point I want to discuss, as one of the student is asking, beta see. Beta third point is that in case of 46 para 46 capital A, what we have learned here. For this, you have to revise again the chart I have prepared with you for you. See what we have prepared here in case of para 46. See that if such has been taken for loan has been taken for depreciable fixed assets, okay, then such will come here. And to take the benefit, company has to opt. Company has to opt this benefit, that instead of transferring to P&L, company is taking the benefit that by not affecting abnormally their profit and loss, they must transfer the things, this difference, to fixed assets account. This is the benefit. Okay beta, but this is only when company is taking long-term loan to purchase the depreciable fixed assets. Otherwise, any other than that, all the difference will be transferred in foreign currency monetary item. Now beta, in this question, the third point is regarding that. In the first case, both the case, company was satisfying all the conditions of part A, what we have given here name as part A. That's another thing, that company is opting this benefit or not. If opting, then that will be transferred to fixed assets. If not opting, that will be transferred to P&L. Okay beta, this was the starting two cases were for A. Now this is what for B. This is the case where company has not this benefit. Second case is this one, other than for the purpose of purchasing the depreciable fixed assets by long-term loan. Now we are following in case 3 in B. In this B, we have to transfer the foreign the difference to foreign currency monetary item. Beta, Same has been discussed in third case, where you are finding this entry, where in the last entry, you are transferring this to foreign currency monetary item. Okay, beta. Subsequently, which will be transferred to P&L over the tenure of remaining loan. Anyways, so beta, now we have discussed this thing. Now it's the time for foreign currency monetary foreign currency operations. Can I start now, everyone? Okay. Who was asking this? Aparna. Beta, Aparna, let me know, since you have asked this doubt, kindly let me know that you are clear with this or no. It is really important, AS, and if we are not taking the things seriously, then definitely we can say tough. If we are not taking the things seriously, only then. Okay, beta. Now, please write down here number third point. That is what? Number third heading. Please give heading here. Foreign currency operations. Foreign currency operations. Got it, sir? Thank you. Okay, beta. Sir, in case B46 is not opted, then PNL, then beta PNL. If not opted, then PNL, beta. So please, if possible, at the end of class 8:30, because today is India versus New Zealand semi-final match. Shaitan Harsh is saying that today is a final match of that and that at 8:30. Please end the class at 8:30, beta. Anyways, foreign currency operations. See, beta, can I say in the transaction, what is the difference between the foreign currency operation and transaction? Who will tell me? Sir, see, if we are saying foreign currency transactions, then we are transacting one or two. Hardly. Sometime purchase, sometime not purchase, sometimes sale, sometime export, sometime don't export. Okay, beta. One, two, etc., etc. Maybe more than one or two, maybe 10, maybe more. But that is not a series. There is no series. When there is series of transactions, rather I would like to say, when there is our business in foreign, we are doing business in foreign. Sir say, beta, मुझे भी देखना है. Yes, beta, I don't want to say because I have my duty for the class first. Anyway, now beta, see, transactions are different and business is different. When you are saying business, then there is series of transactions. That is called business. Like you are in India. Okay, now see, you are in India, and in foreign, you are having the business. You may be having the business in the form of, head office and then branch in foreign. A chapter is there, that is what? Branch accounting. In which case, what you will learn, that head office is running the business in rupees and branch is being run by this head office in dollars. Can we say that head office is resident and ordinary resident just like that? Yes, sir, because that is registered in India, incorporated in India. It means, beta, company, if domestic company is there, or you can say resident in India, that is HO, then that has to report overall income. It means that has to report overall profit or loss wherever that is earning. Okay, beta, in that case, first we have to convert this trading and profit and loss in foreign currency. That is the trial balance. That I would like to say trial balance in foreign currency. That has to be converted into rupees So beta, in that case, what will happen? That will be converted into rupees first, and definitely there will be our own trial balance of head office also, definitely. So HO trial balance and branch trial balance will be merged together to give the true and fair picture of combined business, so that there may be combined reporting in India. Yes, sir. For that, we have to convert that trial balance into domestic currency. Yes. Beta, this is just one example of foreign operations. There may be another foreign operation. What is that? In India, business is there. Yes, sir. And we have joint venture in foreign currency with Mr. B. Beta, I am presently handling a client which is in the same situation. And India, there is currency rupees. Yes. And we are seeing that joint venture is also there in foreign currency. It is also the example of foreign currency operation. First, we must understand the foreign currency operations. While we are reading this, that foreign currency operations, first we must understand what do you mean by foreign currency operation. Foreign currency operation means other than domestic currency, we are doing some business outside India. It means, and definitely that is in foreign currency. In that case, we have to convert the financials which we are operating outside India, that has to be converted into domestic currency, and then we have to give the combined reporting. Okay, beta. Like another example is also there. Suppose H limited is there and S limited is there. Beta, S limited is what? That is what? This is subsidiary, and this is what? Holding. When one company acquire more than 50% shares, more than 50% in another company, then that company becomes holding of another company, because in the company annual general meeting, more than 50% shares voting voting are in favor of any decision, then that decision will get passed. So in that case, one company holds another company wherever that company want to move or handle or guide that company will have to follow the instruction of holding company. So beta, it is called subsidiary company. Suppose this is also in foreign and holding company is in domestic currency. In that case also, there will be another trial balance, branch trial balance, foreign branch trial balance, and head office trial balance, of course. So beta, in that case, what will happen? That such trial balance has to be converted, such trial balance has to be converted into the domestic currency. Only then we can give the combined reporting. Okay, beta. Anyways, yes, like banks are, yes, beta. Many other examples are also there. That is associate, joint venture, etc., etc. Anyways, now what happens? What happens? First, we must understand the foreign currency operation. Can I say that you have understood the correct sense and correct meaning of foreign currency operation? Everyone, I am waiting, beta. Mr. Olga, Mr. Olga. Okay. Please let me know, everyone. First, tell me whether you have understood what do you mean by foreign currency operations. I am waiting, everyone. Those which are watching at YouTube, they can also give their presence by giving their likes, share, comment, etc., etc. Yes, those are not at application, so they can interact in this way. Yes, better like consolidated financial statement. Very good, Harsh. Everyone, very good. Clap for him, because consolidated financial statement is the chapter which we have to learn. Anyways, so there are some rules for converting the trial balance of trial balance of foreign operations into domestic currency. There are some rules for that. Okay, beta? And that those rules depends. Okay, once again explain. Yes, sir, understood. Not understand, understood. Okay. Sir, Puma is the example. Sir, please explain 46 available. Available note. Beta 46 capital A, if opted, then that will be transferred to either to fixed assets in case of A or to FC MTDI in case of B. Otherwise, P&L. But you remember only this. Anyways, now see, I am explaining this concept again since some of the person are asking, and that's the reason I was asking for some more few lectures, because you are not at mistake. Actually, this is the concept which really need some time to digest, and those also need practice along with the concept. Anyways, we are at the backlog of one lecture, so I'm trying to request to ICAI for increasing these lecture at least to cover these two topics. Anyways, beta see, foreign currency operations are the business in foreign currency. Then we can say that whatever the business we are doing in the form of subsidiary, in the form of branch, yes, in that case, this will be called as operation, but that must be in foreign currency. Then we can say that we are doing foreign currency operation. Like how we can say, if we are doing some operations in foreign currency, like we are having foreign branch, so we are saying that our branch is outside India. It means we are doing some business in foreign currency. That is, business means operations, because there is no only single or two or three, four transactions. Those are called foreign. Those are covered in foreign currency transaction. Their profit loss is transferred to P&L. But while there are series of transactions, where is the series of transactions? When we are having our own business in foreign, like foreign branch, like foreign joint venture, foreign partnership, foreign subsidiary. Okay, but in that case, we can say that we are having some business in foreign currency. That is foreign currency operation. So, beta, while we shall be reporting the we shall be doing combined reporting. The business which is being run in India and the plus the business which is being run outside India. Both of these are merged to show the combined result of that. Okay, that business. Okay, now see, there are some rules. It is just like after being okay. I am giving you another example. See, suppose this is like the real life example, like father is in India and his son or her daughter, sorry, his son or his daughter means child, after being CA, go for the growth outside India. Okay, beta, I am writing for the time being son. Okay, I am writing child. Okay, beta, that will cover both. The child is outside India. How father's status is represented? Definitely by combining the overall worth of family. That father is this and child is doing this. Their family is very, 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 very increasing. How those are combined to report in the society that we are doing these things. In our family, we are at this status. The same is the case with our business. While we are doing the business in outside India, then we are doing here combined reporting, in which we are having the outside operations combination with the domestic operations. So beta, in that case, we have to convert the language of foreign currency operations into the domestic currency. Okay, beta. After that, we shall merge them. Okay. So there are two rules, like there are two types of son. One is who doesn't obey. Second is who always obey. Papa, can I propose her? He is very nice and gentleman person. He is very nice son. That is called integrated. Integrated son. He is integrated with his father alone. Integrated. So, in the form of business, can we say there are two types of operation: integrated foreign operations. It is like the good son. It is like good son. And another is that is non-integrated. Foreign operations. It is like a son who never report, he never asks to his father, and he say, Papa, I have married. It is just an example. Don't take it otherwise. It is uncontrolled son. Uncontrolled son. Okay. So this business which is in foreign, if that is under the control of the main owner, which is in India, then we can say that is under control, that is good son, that is integrated foreign operation. And another one is otherwise, that is uncontrolled son, that is non-integrated foreign operation, which doesn't ask while he is taking any any decision of his life, then he doesn't ask, he directly say the result, that this is the result. And good son, sir, good son always asks, Papa, can I do this? Can I do this? Can I do this? Etc. 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 Anyways, these are just example to show you that two types of branch are there. Number one, that is dependent, and another one is independent. So beta, due to time limitation, I have to close this session for today, and we shall be completing the remaining part. Otherwise, there will be no purpose to complete the class. Okay, I don't know how much you are getting in the class and how you are feeling the class. Please, you also request to ICAI so that they may increase some session for this topic, so that I may conclude the things with a proper manner. Anyways, so there is a doubt. I want to take doubt of one person. Sandhya is so beta. For today, I am closing this topic right now, and in the next class we shall cover this topic. But before closing the session, I want to take the doubt of one of the student, and please give your feedback, whatever the feedback you are having about the class. Give it a bye 100% clear, sir. Please also give your Google by searching at Google CA Jarati, and then give your points or reviews. I would always be thankful for you. Whatever the always memorable things I will have from your side. Anyways, one of the student is asking, sir, पेज नंबर 7.2 सेकंड पैरा लास्ट में प्लीज समझा देना. ओके बेटा. 7.2 पेज नंबर 7.2. someone is having the doubt. Wait a minute. पेज नंबर 7.2. बेटा वेरी 7.2. 7.20. Here is 7.28. Beta, you are asking about which? Beta, please tell me. Okay, you have given me at Google review. Thank you, beta Anmol. Beta, please tell me. You are asking about, I think. Unit number 2, I think. Wait a minute. 7.2. Okay. So beta, this is the time to take doubt. So one of the student is asking a doubt. So I am solving the doubt. Rest all student can go and give uh, your feedback to respected ICAI. Anyways, thank you beta Anmol for your review at Google. Anyways, the effect of beta, you are asking for which paragraph? Last paragraph, na? Second para. To ensure the comparability of financial statement of different periods, the effect of change in accounting estimates previously included in the profit and loss from ordinary is included in the same component of net profit or loss. The effect of change in accounting estimate was previously included in the extraordinary report. But they are saying that to ensure the comparability in the financial statement, last year, ये हो गया लास्ट ईयर जिस भी हेड में आपने दिखाया हो उसी हेड में करंट ईयर में आप दिखाएं, भले ही वो चेंज क्यों ना आए, उसको उसी में. फॉर एग्जांपल, इफ यू रिपोर्टेड इन द लास्ट ईयर इन विच एक्टिविटी, सपोज यू हैव रिपोर्टेड इन फाइनेंसिंग, सपोज कैश फ्लो की बात हो रही है, देन प्लीज शो इन द करंट ईयर आल्सो फाइनेंसिंग. This is the question required. This is the requirement of this case. Okay, beta. The same head must be given there. Okay. Whatever you taught, 100% clear. Thank you, beta. Harsh. Please take class 9 o'clock. रात को I can take beta if institute will allow. Sarji asking about AS5. Okay, beta. Yes. Best teaching. Thank you, beta. I also filled feedback form. Thank you, beta. Priyanka. Anyways, beta, this is the thing. What the requirement of this AS is, last year in which head, whatever the head you have chosen for the relevant thing, the same head in the current year also, same head should be in the same head, that should be reported whatever the change is there. Suppose there is change in the inventory, in that case what you will report in the inventory. Okay, beta. And this is the figure as per book, and this is the change, that in this way. Okay, beta. Depreciation is there, that depreciation is amount this one, plus or minus the effect of change, so that must be shown separately if that is exception, etc, etc. Sir, excellent explanation with nice example. Thank you, sir. Thank you, beta. Very good lecture, loved it. Thank you, really understanding lecture. Thank you, sir. Okay then, beta, I hope I could tell you your solve your doubt, beta. So it's the time to close. We shall meet in the next session, and that is the day after. And okay, beta. Sir, your teaching is good. From where you are, beta? I am from UP, beta. UP Ghaziabad. Okay, Prashant. Muhammad Sahel, 9 o'clock today. Beta, I am ready. But it's only the design of ICAI. Anyways. Okay. Bye-bye, everyone. We shall meet in the next class. Bye-bye. I will wait for your feedback form. Sir, class over कर दीजिए.